Hey guys, welcome to my second C++ tutorial. The first one I did, I basically taught you how to add two numbers and then print out the sum. But I wanted to backtrack just to show you a little background on how to actually create a program and just do a hello world prompt. So first, what you're going to want to do is open up a new project by clicking on new project. Then make sure it's Windows 32 console application. And I'll just leave it as that. You could name it whatever you want and then put it in whatever folder you want. I usually have everything on my desktop just everything, so everything would be together. Unclick create disk directory for solution, and this one too. Usually they're clicked, but I have it unclicked, so it's unclicked. Then you're going to click OK. Click next. Make sure it's console application. Uncheck precompiled header and security development cycle checks, and then click on empty project. Next, you're going to want to click finish. Okay, next you're going to want to right click on source files. Then you're going to want to click on add, then new item. Click on C++ file, and then you can name your C++ file whatever you want. And just make sure it has the extension .cpp. Add. Okay. In order to print out information, you're going to want to include a library called IOStream, which is input-output stream. In order to do that, you're going to want to press pound or hashtag include > IOStream. Greater than sign. Then you're going to want to include the using namespace std, which is the standard library, but this is actually optional. But if you didn't want to include the using namespace std, you would have to do something called scope resolution, which is just and whenever you want to print something out, you would have to use std : and also when you want to input information from the user. So then you're going to want to type using namespace std. std stands for standard again. In order for a program to run, it's going to need instructions. The instructions for C++ is called the main function. So you're going to want to type int, which stands for integer, main, which is the main function, and then you're going to want to put parentheses and parentheses, then curly brackets. On some computers it'll just put the first curly bracket and the second curly bracket, but on others you would have to type in do each one individually. Then you're going to want to print something out, the hello world prompt. So like I said before, you're going to have to do the cout, which stands for output, then two less than signs. Then any sort of text you want, you're going to put in quotations, double quotes. So like I said, hello world. Can't type. Now, there's several options in order to end a line. You could either end it with a semicolon. You could put two more less than signs and L, or you could put \n or /n, I'm not too sure, then semicolon. But I like to keep it normal and clean, so I like doing end line, which makes it go to the next line of the program. In order for the program to run, you're going to want to return nothing. That just tells the program, alright, you're out of code, so just basically run the program. So you're going to want to return, and make sure it's lowercase, return 0, semicolon. Return integer using namespace include IOStream. Everything that is in blue or red, not necessarily red, but all the keywords have to be lowercase And then once you're done with the program, you're going to want to press Control F5. That's just a shortcut. And make sure it says succeeded, and then the prompt should come up, and there you go. It says Hello World. Alright guys, thanks for watching my second C++ tutorial video, and I'll be doing more soon, and thank you guys.